This territory is ours. When will you return it?
We have a lease agreement, Comandante.
Today we're going to create something completely unique and different. First, take a look at the YouTube channel. History Matters YouTube channel. It has around 1.9 million subscribers, and the channel is fully monetized. Its estimated monthly income is extremely impressive, and you can check its stats. If you look at the videos on this channel, many of them have millions of views. Some videos have 1.1 million views, others have 1.9 million views, and many more are in the hundreds of thousands and millions range. Let me show you the type of content this channel creates. The videos are mostly historical style content based on wars, maps, historical events, military topics, and storytelling. Channels like this are easily monetized because the content is educational, engaging, and highly watchable. The good news is that you can also create videos exactly like these. So make sure to watch this complete tutorial because I'll show you everything step by step. How to generate AI images for free, how to create scripts using AI, how to generate AI voices for free, how to edit the final video professionally, and how to create everything completely free without buying any paid tools. You do not need to purchase expensive software or premium subscriptions. And one small request, like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more tutorials like this in the future. Now let's get started. First, you need to open ChatGPT and copy the channel link of the type of content you want to create. Then paste that link and write, "I am sending you a channel link. Please check it carefully because I want to create videos in the same style." After reviewing the channel, I will also send the script. After that, ChatGPT will ask you to send 2-3 video links from that channel so it can analyze better. Then go back to the channel, copy 2-3 video links, and paste them into ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will analyze the channel. After that, open any one video from that channel and click on Show Transcript. Copy the full script from there. Now go back to ChatGPT and paste the script. It will analyze the storytelling style step by step. Next, I will give you 4 prompts. You just need to copy those prompts from my YouTube comment section. There will be a line written, "Carefully review these prompts." You need to copy that as well. Once you paste everything into ChatGPT, it will analyze and generate similar prompts for you. It will create high-quality image prompts and story prompts in the same style. These prompts will look very professional and engaging. Now you will have both image prompts, story prompts. If you want to create a story, just copy all the image prompts and paste them into ChatGPT. Then write, "Now review these prompts and also create a story based on them." You can specify the length of the story, 200 words, 400 words, 500 words, even 1,000 words, depending on your need. Finally, you will have a complete story ready to use image prompts. Now you are ready to create videos. You can make long videos, but shorts are recommended because they go viral faster. So now for image generation, I'm going to use Leonardo AI, leonardo.ai. It's a very powerful website and will also create AI videos on it for free. I'll show you the complete method because this is a very important part. First, click on Start Now. After clicking it, you'll see an interface like this. Then click on Let's Go. After that, select Phoenix 1.0 and choose the video size as 916. Now go to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt. Paste the prompt here one by one, step by step. As you keep copying and pasting the prompts from ChatGPT, Leonardo AI will start generating your images automatically with amazing quality. You can see the results here. The images look absolutely incredible and high quality. This is how you can create AI images easily. Now let's move to the next step, how to create free AI videos. I'll show you 2 different websites where you can generate AI videos for free. The first website is Leonardo AI itself. Yes, we can create free AI videos directly inside Leonardo AI. Here's what you need to do. Open Leonardo AI again and click on Home. Then select the video option. After selecting it, you'll see several options on the screen. Now click on the plus icon at the top. Then go to Start Frame and upload your image. Once the image is uploaded, open it. After that, go back to ChatGPT and paste the motion prompt again. Then click on Generate. Your AI video will start generating automatically. As you can see, the video has been created successfully. The result looks amazing. Now, I personally want my video in 9:16 size, so I'll upload the image again and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Then I'll paste the prompt again and the video generation will start. The second video is also ready now, and you can see how professional the result looks. Now, sometimes the credits run out. So what should you do? When your credits are finished, simply log out of the account. After logging out, click on the sign up option again. You'll see options like Google Login, but instead click on Continue with Email. Now search for Temp Mail on Google. Open the first Temp Mail website and copy the temporary email address. You can also delete it and generate unlimited new emails anytime. Copy the email and paste it into Leonardo AI during sign-up. Then create a strong password. After that, a verification code will arrive in Temp Mail. Copy the verification code and paste it back into Leonardo AI. Once you do that, your new account will be created and you'll receive another 150 free credits. Now again, click on the plus icon, upload your image, paste the prompt, and your AI video will start generating. You can see the final result looks fantastic. This is how you can use Leonardo AI for free very easily. Now let's move to another website where we can also create these AI videos for free. The second website we can use for creating AI videos is a very powerful platform with amazing results. First, open Google and search for Flow Labs by googlelabs.google. Once you open the website, click on Create with Flow. After clicking it, you'll see an interface like this. In the beginning, the platform gives you 150 free credits. You can also see at the top that the credits refresh daily, which means you get new free credits every day. Now all you need to do is select your video settings, choose the aspect ratio as 9:16, and select the model version like VO31 or whichever option you prefer. After that, simply copy your prompt and click on Next. As soon as you do that, your AI video will start generating automatically. You just need to keep copying and pasting the prompts step by step. Once you paste the prompt, the video generation process will begin instantly. This website is really impressive because the video quality and cinematic results are amazing. You can see that the video has now been generated successfully and the output looks extremely professional and high quality. The results are truly incredible, making this one of the best free AI video generation websites available right now. So in this way, you can use these Now our AI videos are ready, and as you can see, the results look absolutely amazing. Videos like these, then AI voice plays a very important role. One of the best tools for AI voices is a free AI voice tool called Lovo AI Voice Generator, Hovo.ai. It's a fantastic website that allows you to create professional AI voices for free. First, simply open the website. Once you open Lovo AI, you'll see an interface like this. Now, what you need to do is choose any voice you like. There are many different AI voices available, so select whichever one sounds best for your videos. After selecting the voice, go to ChatGPT and copy the script or prompt that you want to convert into voice. Paste the text inside Lovo AI. Then click on Generate Audio. Within a few moments, your AI voice will start generating automatically. As you can see, the voice is now ready and the quality sounds really good. The results are impressive and professional. In the end, I will edit my video using CapCut. It is a very good video editing software. You can easily place your video here and edit it professionally. CapCut is very easy to use, free, and full of amazing features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It is perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here I will add video effects and complete my video editing. My video is now ready, you can watch it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to the video, feel free to message me or leave a comment and I will reply. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video next time I will bring another method. Thanks for watching.